What's up? Welcome back to another video. I haven't uploaded in a little bit, but we're about to do my oil and we're gonna change my exhaust. So I actually picked up an exhaust. It's right here in the trunk. I'm at Nate's house too. What's up,
That's all
Nate?
he comes over for, just to use my freaking driveway.
Nah, that's not true. That is true. Alright, so here we go. This is the exhaust. I picked this up like 2 nights ago, so I really haven't waited long to install it. But it is a Status Group V1 muffler, or Section 3, whatever you want to call it. It should be really loud. Also, while we have some sunlight left, I just recently installed, I saw it like, I think yesterday or something, installed brand new amber corner lights, and Tio gave me some Bosch, I think they're Bosch, but he gave me some newer headlight lenses. They're still like a little bit scratched up, but it was better than mine. Mine were pretty yellow. This one actually looks pretty clean. So yeah, whenever these kind of go bad again, I'll replace them, but I think the amber corner lights look really good, especially the carbon black. Just like, to me, it's a perfect corner light. I didn't really like the clears. Okay, we just got the car on jack stands, and I have the jack in the center just because, just to support it. Might as well have 3 points instead of 2. Now we're gonna drain the oil. We might wait a little bit actually. It's probably gonna be really hot.
No, do it, no gloves.
No gloves?
No gloves.
And 250-degree oil temps.
You got gloves?
Dude, it's just gonna flood out.
I swear, this, man, I'm gonna back up.
Yeah, I'm backing up too. It's hot already.
Don't get any on my gloves.
Oh, I dropped it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't get any on your gloves. No, I didn't. I didn't. Oh, I dropped the bolt in there too.
It's fine, you're just gonna have to fish it out. You got a magnet?
Nah, we going fishing though. I feel like no one checked the torque on their fucking their oil drain anyways.
Yeah.
You know? Alright, we need a 13 for this stuff.
Are you gonna get a new engine cover?
Huh?
Are you gonna get a new engine cover?
Yeah, I want to get the regular one. Not the...
You don't like the carbon? Well, it is greening.
Yeah, it's like yellowish. I prefer the plastic one.
So how long have you been a BMW Tech?
I just started today.
Like 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh. So you know what you're doing?
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Why does it look like you're just pushing things?
Well,
You one of those people that pushes the door when it says pull, huh?
yeah, I ain't smart. Damn, we need an extension too. Yeah.
Hey, this reminds me like when I was helping my dad, and he like, hey, keep that straight. And you like scared like this.
Hey, you my son.
What you mean? I'm gonna delete all these clips. Man, that's a long screw.
Oh, it's hot as a bitch. Oh!
What, man? I have to do it. I can't get the angles right. See, that's bad. See, that's bad.
Damn. Alright, here comes the lid.
Why aren't you wearing the mechanic's gloves?
So I left them down there.
Nah, so how you plan to do the filter?
I don't want to touch that. These don't do shit for heat. I'm gonna switch to mechanics.
That's what I'm
I'm
saying.
gonna double up actually.
There you go.
Then the mechanics takes all the heat.
Hey, don't shake it too much, man. You playing with it at that point.
Alright, we're gonna drip it. Yeah. You're supposed to suck that out, but I'm not gonna do that. That's like that's if I've been a mechanic for like more than 30 minutes, but I haven't.
Like 40, huh?
Yeah, like 40, I would maybe suck that out, but we're not that advanced yet. Alright, drop her in. There you go, nice and loose. I just read a DIY by Build Journal, and he basically said to pour oil in the middle of this. You're supposed to pour like 0.7 liters, so like a good amount of oil in here. So then when you start up the car for the first time, this filter isn't dry, so it has oil already running through it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing because Build Journal said so, and his DIYs are always really good.
You trust him?
I trust him. So now we're gonna take this O-ring out, and just like that. And then there's another O-ring on this John. This one's small though.
I feel like a lot of people would forget this little O-ring right here.
Yeah, but it does come included with the kit, so you're supposed to. I'm using the wrong tool. You're supposed to use a pick tool for this, but I didn't bring one.
Yeah, we're gonna have to stand by for this one. So, what'd you use?
So we just cut it because we don't have a pick tool. So you can see it's cut in half right there. But I don't know if that's the right. It's definitely not the right way to do it. You're supposed to like pry it off. But we got a new one in the kit, so it doesn't matter. We're about to put the oil filter cap O-ring in, and I do believe for this you have to get some oil. So there's some right here. I'm just gonna use it, even though it's the old oil. It doesn't really matter. We ain't that professional. We ain't using new oil.
Yeah, we ain't an hour in, you know what I mean?
So we're just gonna lube her up a little bit. I don't know the science behind this, but this makes it a little bit greased up. Creates like a nice seal on it. So just like that. And then can't forget about this boy, the very small O-ring. That's easy to forget, but it is in here. You gotta be careful not to drop it. And just like that, she's good. Get a little oil on there as well. So we can't forget about filling this up with oil. So we're gonna do that real quick.
Now, why can't you just pick up something like from your, I don't know, like AutoZone or something?
So you can just get Castrol Edge 10W40. That's what I've been using. That's what's like a lot of automotive shops. I know Precision uses it, SSR uses it. It's just like the standard. And at one point it was what BMW recommended, but they kind of ended their partnership with Castrol. So I went with Liquid Moly this time because I thought I would try it. I don't know if it would make any difference, but people always use this, and it was actually cheaper than Castrol. So yeah, Liquid Moly is the way to go. So we're gonna put on the drain plug. We got to fish that out, and then we're gonna fill this up in the oil filter housing.
So how important is this step?
How important is this? You see the drain bolt? You don't really need it, but
It's like, it's recommended, right?
I would recommend it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. We're pouring in this oil now. So this thing takes 5.5 liters. That should be halfway on the dipstick. I don't know why I'm being so loud, but
Yeah, we're in a neighborhood right now.
yeah, we were just talking about how TJ's got his whole ass shot. We working in the ghetto. The ghetto bird's been watching us, making sure we're safe, man. Can you shine the light over here? Oh, she's in
As Mar would say.
Sheesh. Mar says a lot of dumb shit.
That's just one of them, huh?
Yeah. And now I've been saying it.
Pull the funnel up.
Maple syrup. Huh?
Pull the funnel up.
Why?
So there's air.
No, there's enough. This shit just thick. That M oil.
This looks like legit syrup.
It is, bro. They just branded it as Liquid Moly, but
That's what they don't tell you, huh? That's the back end.
Oh,
What's that?
it's just heavy, man. I haven't been in the gym because they closed them on me. Shit. Alright, so you can't forget about the throttle position sensor. So we're gonna plug that right back in and just clicks in. Otherwise this thing will be all out of whack, you know. So we plugged that in. We topped her off with 5.5 liters. Tightened everything. So we're gonna start it up. You're supposed to run it for like 3 to 5 minutes. Check the oil. But we know at least there's 5.5 liters in there. So as long as you got enough in there. Damn, we got oil.
We got enough oil everywhere.
Oil detail. That's how you get your engine bay to shine.
It's basically Armor All, huh?
Yeah. Alright, let's start her up.
Watch this thing just blow up right now.
I would be pissed. You can barely get in this bitch.
I'm gonna check
through the whole car.
I'm gonna check underneath the car.
Right.
We're good.
Good. Can you check the oil filter housing?
Yeah, let's see. No?
Yeah, we're good.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, so it's always good to check around and check the oil filter cap, or check the oil cap, check the oil filter housing, and the drain plug. Just make sure nothing's leaking. So we just did that. We're good to go. And let it warm up. Okay, so we just got finished up with the oil change. Went super smooth. Obviously, it takes a little bit longer when you don't have a lift. Working underneath the car is not always the best, but everything's good. No leaks, and I actually have another thing that I showed you in the beginning of this video. It's the exhaust, but I'm gonna cut you off there. This is gonna be a separate video, so make sure you watch for the next video. I'm probably gonna upload it the day after this one goes up. So if you're not already subscribed, definitely subscribe, because more E46 M3 videos are coming. And yeah, look forward to the Status Group exhaust install.